Hi all of you. Now we are going to discuss how to do addition by using Vedic maths. The advantage of Vedic maths, if you learn, you can do additions very faster than in general method what generally we are doing. Okay. Now we'll see how to do addition in Vedic maths. Before doing this addition, if you remember the values from 1 plus 1 to 9 plus 9, all combination like 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. Next 1 plus 2, 3. These values are, you know very well, you can remember easily also because of practice. Very simple values. And if you do like this, finally, what is the highest value in this combination? 9 plus 9 is 18. Means single digit numbers from 1 to 9. If you take all the combinations like 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 like that, the last combination we are having 9 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 3. The last combination is 9 plus 9, 18. That means if you observe the highest values you are having 18 and before you are having 17, 16, 15, 14 means the two digits by adding any single digit number, the maximum possible two digit number is 18. By adding any single digit number, the maximum possible value is 18. Why? Because 9 is the highest single digit number. Then 9 plus 9 is 18. Then here we are having the combination 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on up to the last number is 18. Okay. That means how to remember means, suppose for example in the addition we are having 5 plus 5, 10 you should be have in mind. Suppose 6 plus 7, 13, 7 plus 8, 15, 9 plus 9, 18, 9 plus 7, 16, next 7 plus 5, 12, next 8 plus 6, 14, like that. Then if you can remember those values in very faster manner, you can do the addition. See how to do addition in this Vedic maths. Here this method we call it as dot method or bar method. Dot method or bar method. For example, I have to add 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, 7. For example, generally how we are doing addition? 8 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 17 after 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, like that. 24. 24 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 24, 6 in the fingers means 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. That is the general method. In Vedic maths, by using this dot method or bar method, how to do? See here, 8 plus 9, 17. Whenever you are having two digit number 17, just remember the one digit number. In 17, take 7, put a bar here. Or you can put dot also. Here, just remember 7. No need to remember 17. Next, 7 plus 7, 14. 14 means just remember 4, put a bar here. Next, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 means remember only 0. Whenever you have double digit number, you got like 10, 11, 14 like that. Here we got 10 means just remember 0 and put a bar. Okay. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 means put again bar, only take 2. Then how many bars we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 42. That's it. Check it. 9 plus 8, 17, 24, 30, 35, 42. Okay. See another example. 9 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7, for example. How to do? 9 plus 9, 18. 18 means just put a bar and 8 in the mind. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 means only consider 6, put a bar. 6 plus 8, 14, 4. 4 plus 6, 10, 0. 0 plus 7, 7. Write that 7 here. Write that 7 here. Then how many bars we are having? 4. Then the answer is 47. Check it. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 8, 34. 34 plus 6, 40. 40 plus 7, 47. Clear? One more example. 8, 8, 7, 9, 5, 1, 3, 7, 9, 8, like this for example. How to proceed? 8 plus 8, 16. 16 means only 6 we have to remember. 6 plus 7, 13 means 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 means 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11 means 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 17 means bar and 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 means again bar, 5. How many bars? 3 plus 3, 6. This much fast you can do addition if you use this dot method or bar method by using this Vedic maths concepts. Okay, but initially it may be looks like a simple complication, but after practicing 5 to 10 problems I can give the guarantee surely you can do very faster than in regular method. Clear? It is the addition of single digit number. For example, additions means always we are not having only single digit. We may have double digit, triple digit or more than 2 digits also we have to add. Then how to do that addition? How to do the addition of 2 digit numbers or 3 digit or any digits in this method? That is second method, 2 digit number or 3. Okay. For example, I am having 79, 87, 34 for example. How we are doing this one? Generally, we have to start from ones place. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. Borrow 0. 2, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 2, 17 plus 3, 20, 200. This is the general way. In Vedic maths, how to do this problem means, here in Vedic maths, no need to do the addition from ones place. It is not mandatory. You can start addition from right to left or left to right. But in general, how we are following from ones place means from right side to left side we are doing addition. But in Vedic maths, you can do in both ways. You can start from here to here or here to here. How to do? See here. Here and at the same time while adding single column like this, you can do addition from top to bottom or bottom to top. That is your choice. Suppose here I am taking bottom to top for example. You can take from top to bottom also. See here. First 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 7. 11 plus 7. See, as per our first method, 3 plus 8, how much? 11. 11 means just remember 1, put a bar. 1 plus 7, 8. Then 8 here and 1 bar means 18. Clear? And put a slash like this. That means one column over, put a slash like this. Next, here 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7, 11 means just remember 1. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9, 10 means 0. And how many bars? 2. Okay. Now, after writing this, means after doing column wise addition, we have to balance this. Here, how to balance in this method means, just write this one digit as it is, 0. And you have to add this tens place to this number. 8 plus 2, 10. And carry 1 is there, add that 1 here, 1 plus 1, 2. In normal method also, have we got 200 or not? Yes. Suppose I will take one more number, 89, 97, 54, 32, 61. How to proceed? You can start from left to right or right to left. That is your choice. Here I am doing, here we did bottom to top. Now I am doing top to bottom here. Okay. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 means just 7 only. You have to keep in mind and put a bar. And 7 plus 5, 12 means 2 bar. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 means 1. 1. Put a bar, don't forget, okay? It is 1. And how many bars? 3 means it is 31. It is 31. Now, coming to this one. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 means bar and 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means bar and 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And how many bars? 2 bars. Then now what we have to do? We have to balance this equation. Write this ones digit as it is. And 2 plus 1, 3 and 3. Then the sum of these, all these numbers, this much fastly you can do addition by using this technique. If you practice some problems, then only it will be perfect and you can do very faster. Now we will take a 3-digit number in this method, how to do fast. Okay. For example, I am taking a 3-digit number 978 564 679 831, and the next one 876 432 987 631. Here I am having 2 numbers. What is the procedure? We have to add from left to right or right to left, and at the same time column wise, top to bottom or bottom to top. That is your choice. 9 plus 5, 14 means bar and 4. 4 plus 6, 10, 0 bar. 0 plus 8, 8. How many bars we are having? 2. Then it is 28. After completion of one column, we have to put a slash like this. We have to put a slash like this. Now this one. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 means bar 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 means bar 0. 0 plus 3, 3. How many bars we are having? 2. Slash. Next. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 means bar and 2. Then how many bars? 2. Then write ones digit as it is. 2 plus 3, 5. Then 2 plus 8, 10. 10 means carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, you can check whether your answer is correct or not in general method also. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 12, 22. Next 7 plus 3, 10, 12, 18, 18, 25, 10, 16, 21, 30. Okay, but no need to check. For starting in the, if you want get some more clarity, you can do in normal method and check your answer. Okay, now we'll see here. Start from top to bottom or bottom to top each column. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 means bar 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 means bar 1. 1 plus 6, 7. And how many bars we are having? 2. 27. Next. 3 plus 8. Otherwise you can start from top. Anyway you can take top to bottom or bottom to top. That is your choice. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 means 0 bar. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 means bar 1. How many bars? 2 bars. Next. After that slash. Next. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 means just remember 5 and put a bar. 5 plus 1, 6. Then how many bars? 1. Okay, clear? Now what we have to do, we have to balance. First write this single ones digit as it is. You have to add 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. Next you have to add 2 here. 2 plus 7, 9 and 2. Then this is the final answer. If you practice this method for some more problems, you will get perfection and you can do addition in a faster manner. Within fraction of seconds, you get the answer for any number of digits. Okay, thank you. In other session, we'll do another technique in our Vedic maths. Thank you.